Alright, so we're back again. We're going to go over a few things from the first video I put up today. But here we go. So as in the first video, we took the pillar off. It's right here. Got our speaker out. Got the clip taken off, and then the clip taken off down here, which is this one here. And we installed everything on the new one. Got the wires ran. They're all draped down here. They're long, but we'll make that work. It's not a big deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these wires stuffed down in this hole, and then we'll go from there right quick. Try and get that put up. That way we can get this installed and show you guys how to get it installed. Alright, so I'm going to straighten out my wires. That way I can know which ones I need to stick on the front side of everything and which ones need to go to the back. So this one here we're going to set at the back because it's a gauge wire, or sensor wire. We'll untangle this one. Sorry they're tangled. That's what happens when you have them dangling while you're trying to come out to the shop. And we'll set it back to the side because those go on the back side of everything we're working on. And now we got our power, our ground. We're not going to bolt them up. We're going to get this just set in there. So you guys see how I get this installed. All right. Obviously, I forgot my light. I'm going to grab my light. There we go. Got our light. Had to charge it. It was about dead. Good wireless light. Well, not. It's good. It's not great. Let's put it that way. Alright, so I got these untangled. We'll start with our power wire with the fuse. Got a 10 amp fuse. Probably a little overkill. We may straighten that out later. I just got an assortment of fuses so I can see which ones I want to use. Drag it out down there. We'll do the same thing with our ground wire. Drag it down. Alright, so we got those, got our ground, got our hot. We're going to do our sensor wires because those go a little bit further back. That way they're kind of out of the way of all the other stuff. Up in here. Alright, got that one in. I'll edit some of this probably later, it won't be right away. It takes a while to edit videos. So here we go again. Alright, so get set up in here. Alright, so those wires are done. Okay, so now we're going to try and get this set up the way it's supposed to be. Kind of throwing a little fit, those wires are. It's just weird. But what do I know? Alright. Oh. That one on the back side. Boy. There we go. Alright. Alright. So obviously we want to make sure everything. See if I can get a hold of. There's that wire. Where's the other one? I lost a wire. But let's see if we can't find it. Get it pulled down where it's supposed to be. Ah, I got hooked on something. Got in a bind, that's why it wouldn't pull up. Alright, so now we got that fixed. What we're going to do is get these wires up against the side. That way they're out of the way. And then we are going to put our speaker wire on. You gotta have speakers. You know what I mean? Gotta have speakers. We got that set up in there. Then we need to get this ready. So we'll get the clip. Our clip here. See that? Got started. We're gonna try and get it on. Oh, clipped right in, no problems. Alright, so gotta get my light. We're gonna look here, see how everything looks down there. We are almost there. Let's see. Set my light off the side. There we go. That's down. Get my light back. It's in the proper hole. Alright. Everything looks like it's lining up real good. Alright, so let's see what happens. Oh, have to get my light back out here. Huh, okay. It didn't, oh, it bent. Oh. Well, this may not work as good as I thought it would. Let's see. Oh, come on, baby. So I see the problem. And that may be something we may have to take care of. We'll see how this goes. All right, now, let's see here. See if that will go. There we go. There we go. That looks better. There. That's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. That popped back off though. That's not ever good. Sounds like my heater's not doing that great anymore. Okay, so it's in kind of. We gotta do some work here. Doesn't act like it should. This is actually kind of difficult for some reason. Aye! See that? My cat attacked me. Well, I don't know why I say my cat. It's my daughter's cat. I think I know what the problem is. What the deal is this right here. It's not going into the slot. It's supposed to go in right here, and it's not wanting to do that. So I'm gonna see what I can do, and see, it's just popping out. May have to take my coat off because it's getting kind of warm. And lift this up. It does not like it. That's the way it's supposed to be. Huh. Interesting. All right. I got that. Ow. Gonna hurt my back a little bit there. Hang that up. Getting a little warm trying to do this. I'm trying to do it without messing my back up. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to like this or not.
I mean, it keeps coming off. I'm afraid if I hit a bump, it's gonna break. It's gonna come off again. That could be because I did break that clip. So you want to be really careful how you push these in there. I may get another clip and try it again. I mean, it's getting better, but it's not perfect. And of course, normally about anything aftermarket doesn't really work as great. It's not bad. It's not bad. But it ain't great. Let's take a look. See what you got now. Sit on my screwdriver. So now, here's the view I got. I don't think it's too bad. So I'll show you here. Let's get the light so you guys can see a little bit better. So if you look, see how that goes into the seal, and then there's where it misses the seal. It's down in there. See, it's back behind. It's back behind the plastic, the black one. So there's a tongue sticking out. I'll show you here. So there's that tongue. It goes back behind there. And it's back behind there. Like I said, it could all be because I broke the tab that was up there I was messing with. Well, I didn't break it. It bent and then it snapped off a little bit. So that could be part of it, but I don't know. I don't think that would cause as much. But other than that, I'm looking at this. It's not bad. My gauge is kind of, I like the way that one's set. It's got it kind of at an angle because it's up higher, and this one's more flat because it's, you know, it's setting down lower. So it does look pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. Not bad. So now we just gotta get them wired up. We'll do that in another video because we'll get it wired up and then do the sensors. So all the wires are in. All we're going to do is do a video of the wire, run the wires into the engine compartment, or from the engine compartment into the passenger compartment, hooking them up because they're right down here now, and then hooking the power wire and ground wire up. Yeah, they're there, getting those hooked up so we can turn the car on and you guys see what they look like. All right. That's probably something I probably should have done. I forgot to check to see if my LED light that's in there is the right direction before I put all this in there. It may or may not light. We'll see. May have to take it back out. All right, later.